Coyote pop-up display combines strength, reliability, and style in a lightweight and easy-to-use system. It is fully magnetic, making it simple to assemble and disassemble, and is available in a wide range of sizes and configurations. To begin, prepare the frame for assembly by locating the purple hooks, which will be at the top of the frame. Expand the frame to full size, snapping the purple magnetic locking arms together. Then attach the magnetic channel bars into the triangular slot with magnets at the top. Once the channel bars are attached, the frame is completed and fully expanded. To apply your graphic, first attach the panels, starting with the left curved end cap panel. Hook the panel on the purple hanging hardware on the front and back of the frame, and apply each panel to the magnetic channel bars. Make sure all panel edges align with the middle line on each channel bar. Once the panels are attached, the graphic mural is complete. Thanks again for visiting our YouTube page. Please take another look at some of our other videos, subscribe, and reach out for more information.